Hello friends, today I am going to show the variety of videos of septas and the different management of these cases. The first case is of complete uterine septa. The second one is thick and vascular uterine septa with complete fibrous cervical septa, and third case is of complete vaginal septa with complete uterine septa extending beyond the internal os. We, Dr. Desh Deepak and Dr. Rashri at Rajdeep Fertility Research Center managed these variety of cases in a different way. So this is the first case, which is of complete uterine septa and the septal resection done with the help of the cold scissors. In all these three cases, we used 2.9 millimeter Bitoches telescope for the septal resection. So this is the first case in which we use the cold scissors for the resection of the uterine septa. As we reached near the fundus, you can see the vascularity was appeared, and this is one of the sign of completion of the septal resection. Though this is not the only sign, hence we always withdraw this scope till the internal os level to see both the ostia in a single plane. And as we see both the ostia from the internal os level, then it is a sign of completion. As in this case, there are few of the fibers of the septa are at the fundus seen, which are not cut properly. So we again introduce the scissors to cut these few fibers for the completion of the septal resection. Usually, the cold scissors are used in cases of infertility to preserve the endometrium properly. This is the second case in which there is a thick and vascular uterine septa with a complete fibrous cervical septa. You can see this is the cervical septa, and as we introduce the scope inside, the uterine septa was seen. So the first day the cervical septa was resected again with the help of the cold scissors. After doing the resection of the cervical septa with the help of the cold scissor, we saw that the cut end of the septa was hanging inside the cervical canal. Hence, the decision of excision of the cut end of the cervical septa as well as the excision of the uterine septa was done, and that was done with the help of 22 French resectoscope with the 2.9 millimeter Bitoches telescope. So this is the most recent and the advantageous procedure for the excision of the uterine septa, as the septa is seen to be a space occupying lesion. In the lower end, this septa is fibrous, but as we go towards the fundus, it is a fibromuscular, and near the fundus it is muscular as well as vascular, and that is why we did with the resectoscope. Now this is the third case in which there is a complete vaginal septa. You can see clearly the complete vaginal septa. In every case, it is not essential to do the resection of the vaginal septa. If the space is sufficient, we never do the resection of the vaginal septa. Then when we introduce the scope inside, the lower end of the uterine septa was not seen, and then we introduce the scope in one cavity, and from one cavity with the help of the Collins knife we started doing the resection of the uterine septa in between the anterior and the posterior uterine wall just above the isthmus, and we started giving the incision over the septa from one cavity till we reach to the other cavity. And you can see clearly from one side of the cavity, the Collins knife is reached to the other cavity, and then further the resection of the septa was done from the lower end to upper end, maintaining the cornual ring. We complete the septal resection with the help of the Collins knife. So, thanks for watching all these three varieties of septal resection with different modalities.